I think the biggest thing you'll see in the next couple of years is our ability to share data with our partners, whether they're inside the government or outside the government. You'll see us make great strides in that work. Ed Simcox and his team have set a platform baseline. Arietta has now inherited that, and you'll see us work faster and smarter to complete electronically user data sharing agreements, using the cloud to spin up environments so that researchers can have the data, we can protect it. The other thing that I would say that we're looking for our software applications vendor community to do a job of thinking about accessibility before we get the product. It is imperative that the community who delivers to the federal government starts thinking about accessibility, security, and privacy before they hand a product to the government. And that today, what we find ourselves doing is building that in after we get the product. So we think in 2 or 3 years, that should be done with. And we should be getting products that we can immediately put in place and that our entire community can take use of from the day we launch it, not wait until we've remediated certain issues to make it more accessible, for example.
Right, go through that testing program and find out that this is not really 508 compliant, that you have to go through a series of steps to be able to use that. And you've got a community that is trying to access your services there that needs that kind of capability. Everybody needs that kind of capability, no matter what agency it is.
That's correct.
I would imagine. So on that open data piece of that, so you're saying that you're going to do that, and you'll see a much open, even more than it is today in regards to not only your partners in the sort of medical community, but it sounds like out to the general public?
To the general public.
Yeah.
We think we can make that step, and Ed Simcox's team has kind of laid that foundation for us and given us a vision. We'll start with our immediate communities of interest, but we think at some point, yes, in 2 or 3 years, that we'll start to be able to do that.